This is basic F chords. This is the last of the chords of the basic section. F chords are all white keys. They're just like C major and G major. So there's three. There's C major, G major, and an F major are all white keys. Your finger's already comfortable playing with C and G, and F is just the same thing. You just need to have your tonic on F instead of G or C. So let's begin. We build a chord, F chord. It's just like a C chord. There's the first degree, third degree, and the fifth degree. Play it all at the same time. The notes are going to be F, A, and C. Play it all at the same time, and there we go. We have our F chord, major chord. And minor chord is going to be the third degree going half a step lower, right there. This is almost like a C minor or a G minor. F minor is where the black key is in the middle. So we play major, first variation, and we're going to move up to A, C, and F with 1, 3, or 1, 2, 5. Then we're going to move up again to C, F, A, which is 1, 3, 5, and move up to F, which is 1, 3, 5. There we go. And then we're going to go down. 1, 3, 5 with C, F, A, and then A, C, F, which is 1, 2, 5, and down again 1, 3, 5. That is one octave. So you practice it, you go up, and you go down. Now we're going to start with the left hand. Left hand is the same thing as the C, which is 5, 3, 1 on F, A, and C. Same notes. So we go like this. We'll go up higher. Still 1, 3, or 5, 3, 1. And then we go 5, 2, 1. And then we go again. 5, 3, 1. So we go to F as the lowest. Then we go to C as the lowest. Then we go to A as the lowest. And then back to F. So that's one octave. We're going to practice this up and down until you're comfortable and confident, like always. And down. And there we go. Now once you actually know one octave, then you put two hands together. So you play F, you move up, so the A is the lowest. This is 1, 2, 5. Move up again. Now this is 1, 2, 5. And move up. And now we go down. You could really tell that your fingers are much more easier to play. When you started playing C, it was a lot difficult. But now when you're playing F, it's a lot more easier. And it's going to get easier and easier and easier because your fingers already know what to do. So you go up one octave, play two hands until you're comfortable, and you go down. Now we're going to jump to 4 octaves. We're going to play this F all the way to this F. Here we go. So play that 25 times so your hands are really confident. And now we're going to go to the minor. So we're going to play the major, 1, 3, 5 scale degrees. Then we take the third scale degree down half a step. So we're playing A flat. So F, A flat, C. And then we go up with the A flat. This is 1, 2, 5. A flat, C, F. Go up, C, F, A flat. Then F, A flat, C. There you go. And then we go down. So we're going to start two hands right away. Play two hands. Then we move up to A flat. Then we move up to C. Make sure the last one's A flat. And then back to F minor. And then play this, and then we go down. And we're going to start with 4 octaves, or 3 octaves in this case, right away. So F. Go up. Do this scale as well, the same as the major chord, 25 times. Once you finish that, you're done with the basic chord section, and you could feel that you're really confident now in playing the chords. Now we're going to move on to arpeggios, and they're going to be easier as well because you already know the chords.